Okay, here's a little deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from the Winton area. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. First piece, capping of opal around the outside. Cut a little stone perhaps out of the top there. Second piece, some nice bar of colour in the middle here. And there's another face here, and there's another face over here. So I would probably, looking at that, cut it through that way. So you get that face, and then turn it over, get that one. And unfortunately you're going to lose that little one there, but that's the least valuable out of the three. In actual fact, cut that off there first, and then you get 1, 2, 3 stones. And the last piece, so what you see here is what I think you're going to end up with as a pendant. It's got a hole right through the middle there. It doesn't matter though, adds a little bit of character. Or you could put a setting in there perhaps with a accent stone. It's still a pretty little piece. Interesting. Anyway, 3 pieces of nice Boulder Opal for you to play with. Cheers!